Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have my cool propper tool from my middle son ready to do an unboxing from AliExpress. I'm excited about this one. I bought a couple dolls just because I wanted a couple dolls. And then there's some, oh wow, there's a lot of other stuff in here. Let's unload it. Don't know what that is. Hoping that's what I'm thinking. Oh, and there's more. Wait, there's more. All right. Let's open these first. I bought, oh, this is for my Integrity dolls. Let me get this open. For Easter time. Gosh, I love those dolls. Oh, they're so beautiful. I bought this beautiful dress. I have these in black, and I use them a lot. I have black and red, and I don't know, I think I have a blue. Isn't that gorgeous? Just like, I don't know, what is that, 22 layers of mesh. Just gorgeous. All right, I'm going to need a place to set this. Let me put this over here on the ice cream truck that my AG doll is. Boy, I want to watch that corner. Let's do that and tear. Well, here. Go up this way. All right, what did I get in here? Oh, I know what this is. This is, I wanted the jacket. This was just a couple bucks, and I wanted the jacket. It's actually for Ken, or a Ken-like doll. And it has pants, and I'll probably be using this. We do that boy doll collab challenge every month, and I thought I could use that. But it's cold. This is like, like stiff from it. How cute is that for my Ruth 66 doll? I'm going to change it up a little bit. She can't have enough 60s clothes. All right, let me set this here. And this should be long pants for riding my bike this winter. Haven't been out in a while. A week, Darren? Has it been that long?
No, it's just a couple of days ago. We went for a short ride in the cold.
Lots been happening. It seems like a week ago. Yeah, these are my... Oh, that looks like a shirt, not pants. Wait a minute. No, it's pants. It's pants. It's just long riding pants. I'm going to put them right back in here. So much cheaper on AliExpress. It's like 1/10 of what those would cost. All right. These should be something fun. And there should be 5 of the same thing. Yep. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. These are, let me open one. Oh, that's a weird bag. Where is the opening? Or, you know what? That's sealed shut, isn't it? No, it's not. Well, it's sealed, but it's not. That looked vacuum sealed. I hate these things. I can never find them, the end, and when I do, it's hard to get started, and I even have nails. These are for a collab coming up. Just something, love, isn't that cute? These are something actually for a Blythe, but I'm going to send these items anyway, because most have Barbies also. Look, it says handmade. Now, we all know that's not. I mean, it's handmade. They use their hands to put that through the machine. But handmade to me means hand sewn or hand stitched or whatever. But those purple hair Blythes that I bought for the collab, I thought that'd be cute to send with them. So I got 5 of those. Now, let me put this back in here real quick. These were inexpensive, too. I kind of keep an eye on stuff, and sometimes you can, you know, a seller will have like an outfit. Like these were just a couple bucks. Like, I think they were less than $3. Seller will have a good deal on something. All right. These are, I have my Daisy Blythe, and she does not have a face-up. And the reason she does not have a face-up is because we take her out on our bikes, and she would get very dirty and gritty. And if she had a face-up, it would scratch her because she goes everywhere. So I bought myself a Daisy doll to do a face-up on. And an extra. Why did I get an extra? I don't know. They were a good deal, and one day the good deals at AliExpress are going to be over, or we're not going to be able to get them or something. All good things come to an end. Let's check eyes. The hair's not very thick. I mean, it's thick. It's good doll hair, but it's not like it used to be. Okay, click, 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 click. Good, good, good. Her hair is thick. I mean, you can see. But for a while, they were kind of, look at Daisy's hair isn't like that anymore, is it? All shiny and nice and new. Daisy has been, I think it's 700 miles now on our bicycles. And, oh gosh, 12 states? Like 12 states. She's met a bunch of YouTubers. Every time I meet someone that has a YouTube dolly channel, I take her along. What else has Daisy done? She's been to a lot of doll shows. She's getting ready to go to her second floor. She's been to 2 Blythe cons by now, by the time this is filmed. Anyway, I wanted a Daisy with a face-up, so I got those. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.